Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Onlookers Occult. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you what is going to happen in the next 3 months for all you Aries people out there. Also, I wanted to mention that this is a timeless reading, and irrespective of when you reach this video, it's going to tell you about the coming 3 months. So let's get started with the reading of Aries and see how your next 3 months look like. So I'm going to shuffle the cards, and you have a Two of Swords, the Devil, the Tower, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, I will shuffle again and take out another four cards. The explanation of the same, which are the Knight of Wands, the Hermit, Nine of Swords, and finally the Seven of Pentacles. So if I go one by one, it seems like you're definitely worried about something that really affects you, and it seems like it's something that you cannot ignore, but you will put that behind you because you want to proceed, you want to go forward and fight whatever that is, and because of that you will have to ignore that thing. Also, once you do decide to ignore and move on and fight, you're definitely going to be successful in the same, as signified by the Knight of Wands. You're actually going to catch up a lot of speed after you've given up on this particular issue that you've been having. Not actually giving up, but basically ignoring the same. And your speed is going to be unmatched after that, but you also have to be cautious for the same, because the same might end up resulting in the fact that you will be very determined, but you're going to lose the focus of exactly what you want and why you want it. The next two cards that you see is one, the Devil. It's for sure that you're going to face restrictions. It's kind of very evident with the other cards as well. There is going to be a lot of restriction that you face. This could be related to some toxic situation that you're in, or some toxic people who are around you, or probably some toxic relationship, which may or may not have to be romantic in nature. But what's the good thing out of it is that you're going to evolve, you're going to figure out what it is, you're going to figure out what position you're in, you're going to acknowledge the restriction or the toxicity that's there in your life, and you're going to move forward with it along with your own wisdom, making your own path and illuminating the same in such a manner that it doesn't just help you, it's also going to help other people who are going to go down the same lane. The next two cards that you see is number one, the Tower. The Tower definitely shows that you're basically going to acknowledge the issues that you've been having, which you've been a little reluctant in accepting previously. You're going to be more broad about the ideas that pull you down, and that the realization is always hard, but once you settle it down inside you and acknowledge the circumstances around it, then there's a certain sense of freedom that you face that is going to happen to you. Also, the Nine of Swords definitely suggests that you're going to be a little stressed in the coming 3 months, and honestly that stress is going to be something that you create for yourself. you're going to be more anxious or depressed if you give into these feelings, which you should definitely not. These feelings are totally your own. These feelings are the feelings that you're inculcating and throwing out to the universe on your own, and this is not happening because something's wrong. This is happening because you are probably thinking wrong. So all that chaos is going to come only through your own mind. The next two cards show why this is going to happen to you. It definitely shows that you're a person who prefers quality over quantity in all aspects of your life. So you're a person who likes to give time to certain things to grow, and you're going to continue doing that. Definitely it's a right approach to life, but you're going to get criticized for the same. So it is advised that you don't take that criticism to your heart and wait it out and do things just like you do. Also, if you do feel that you need to change or pace up things a little, then you can definitely give it a thought without facing any depression or anxieties, because this card shows that there's a lot of work that you've put into something, and that something will take a lot of time to be say prolific in nature. So the result, the fruit of all that investment that you've done is going to get really, really slow, and that is something that can really piss you off. So you have to absolutely take care of the same. Now, if I sum up all your cards, I see that there are going to be some troubles. You've been ignoring something really important lately, and you acknowledge that, but you've decided to fight without it. Because of the same, you're probably going to feel a lot more restricted, and you're going to acknowledge that problem very closely, and because of that you're kind of going to have a lot of anxiety issues in the coming 3 months. One of the reasons for the same could also be because you want things to be fast paced, but unfortunately that will not happen, because quality will definitely take time and you have to be patient, which Aries generally are. But you have to have faith in the work, the investment that you're giving in. Also, the results may not come as soon as you expect them to. They might be delayed, but it is overall going to help you get more enlightened and become a person who can pretty much carve their own way through difficulties and do good for themselves. So be strong, Aries. Be strong, don't worry much, be patient, do not lose sight of why you do certain things. It's okay to understand what you want to do and what you want to achieve, but it's also important for you to understand why you want to achieve what you want to achieve.